27.19.23 Additional annual tax on hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles defined. This is going to be something similar to the full electric vehicles, which would be the previous video with these new tax laws. And also these are stemming from the 2018 House Bill 1, which there's also a video on that. You can go back and check that out. So let's get into this one. For the purposes of this section, the term hybrid vehicle means a vehicle that utilizes more than one form of onboard energy to achieve propulsion. Manufactured primarily for the use on public streets, roads, and highways, and is required to have a license tag under Section 27.19.1 for operation of public streets, roads, and highways. They're defining hybrid for any combination of one or more fuels, which would be battery and gas, or diesel and battery. Could be a combination of hydrogen fuel cell and gas, or fuel cell and battery. That is a hybrid. 2A. Subject to the provision of this section, there is imposed an annual tax on each hybrid vehicle, which shall be in addition to any other taxes for which the vehicle is liable, which means you're going to pay this tax plus your normal regular taxes that you would pay on any other vehicle. The tax shall be paid to the county tax collector at the same time and in the same manner as the annual highway privilege tax is paid. The amount of tax shall be $75. The tax shall not be imposed on a hybrid vehicle that is exempt from ad valorem taxation under sections 27.19.53 and 27.51.41 2J. If you go back to the other video, full electric is being taxed at $150. This one's being taxed at $75. Reason for it being is they still believe that you're going to be paying fuel taxes on gas and other sources of fuel that you already pay taxes on. 2B, beginning July 1st, 2021, and each succeeding July 1st thereafter, the rate of tax imposed under this section in effect at the end of the preceding state fiscal year shall be adjusted by increasing the tax by a percentage amount equal to the United States inflation rate for the previous calendar year ending on December 31st as certified by the Department of Finance and Administration. The United States inflation rate for a calendar year shall be the Consumer Price Index for the calendar year for urban consumers as calculated by the Bureau of Labor Statistics of the United States Department of Labor, and adjusting the amount of the tax amounts equal or greater than 50 cents shall be rounded to the next highest whole dollar. What they're saying there is every year this tax is going to go up. It's going to go up at the same rate as inflation. The United States inflation rate is only 2%, which means every year your dollar is 2% less. Even if your pay don't go up 2%, then you're actually losing money every year. But this means this law is into effect to where it never has to go back and be voted on again. It's already in there. It's voted into the law that it increases every year. And if it's 50 cents increase, it goes up $1. If it's $25.50, it goes up to $26. And that's the same way with full electric vehicles. It's in both of the new laws. And remember, these laws go into effect on July the 1st, 2021. So July the 1st, 2022 will be higher than this. 3. The tax collector shall have a special designation for hybrid vehicles in the vehicle records of the tax collector's office so that the owners of hybrid vehicles will be provided with the proper forms for paying the tax imposed by this section. 4. The tax collector shall remit the proceeds of this tax collected under the section of the Department of Revenue, and the department shall appropriate proceeds of the tax among the various purposes specified in section 27.5.101 for gasoline and diesel fuel taxes in the same proportions that those taxes were proportioned for those purposes during the previous state fiscal year, and such funds shall be used solely for the repair and maintenance of roads, streets, and bridges. 5. The Department of Revenue shall have all the power and authority that it has for enforcement of the motor vehicle privilege tax law, section 27.19.1. To enforce the provision of this section, the Commissioner of Revenue may adopt any rules or regulation that it deems necessary for the proper administration of this section. Go to the last video. Full electric vehicles is $150 for the first year, and hybrids are $75 for the first year, and they will increase by the rate of inflation every year, or rounded to the highest dollar depending on how much the inflation rate is. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. Go back and watch the old videos. But thank you for watching. Have a great day.